Hello, welcome back to Quilts by Carmel. I am Joe Carmel. I'm here for a spoiler alert. I have my Sew Sampler box. If you do not want to know what's in it, please stop this video, okay? I have decided that if I do not care for the fabric in this box this time, I'm gonna stop it. So here we go. I'm gonna open it, okay? And I get this through Fat Quarter Shop. I'll use the link below. It's totally about 35. Yeah, it's $29.95 now for the box each month and $5 for the shipping. So it's about $35. So it's gone up $5. But let's see what's in it. I already unlocked it. Oh boy. Alrighty. So in this inside it says grow kindness. And then there is promotional codes on here. Free Daisy Beads Knees book stand. It's very pretty. It's yellow. When you spend over $80, and then $5 off any 5-inch stackers from Riley Blake. So that's pretty cool too. I do enjoy the coupons, so that's cool. Let's see. They have the little pamphlet in here, and they have, I'm sorry, holding it with one hand, they have the Fig Tree Bliss Quilt Along. It's like valued at about $5 for this block. Again, that's not me. I don't think I would pay $5 for one block, but that's me. That's not anyone else. Oh, we got some cute stuff in here. I need to hold on to that. I'll just put that down, but I need to hold on to it. All right, let's start. We're starting with fabric, and it's 2 5-inch stackers calico. Oh, this is Lori Holt. Okay, these look fun. These look like my type of fabrics. They're fun and happy, and I got her book Scrappiness is Happiness, so I think I will use it to add to my collection of Lori Holt, and the plan is to make a quilt one day. Don't know if it'll be this year, but I hope it is. So that's fantastic. I like this. I like the fabric, so that's good. Then we have some more goodies in here. We have a pincushion. It is a bee plaid wrist pincushion. Oh, by Lori Holt. So it goes on your wrist. That's super cute. This is valued at $5. And these two, so you got two, they're valued at $21.96. So right there you have 22 plus 5 is $27. Very close to the cost of the box. That's excellent. Then, oh my gosh, we have, I love this. It's some readers. Let's open it. Let's see. It's reader glasses with a case. If I can get it open. All right. Alrighty. Where does it open? It opens here. Boy, gotta work for it. Does the top open? Sorry. Maybe I should have opened it beforehand. There we go. Oh, these are adorable. These are adorable, and I love the color of them. And can you see, I don't know if this is plaid or not, but look at that. That's just super cute. And then this is a cloth bag, and it tells you the size. I got the 2.50. So if I ever needed to do some hand stitching, I would definitely use these. I like this. This is a keeper. This seems kind of like a Lori Holt box, but I love it. It's good. It's good. See if I can put those back in. Okay, easier to go in than to take out. What else do we have? We have a pattern. Oh, but wait. We have some foundation paper for the kite block, or the vintage kite block. And it finishes at 6 inches up here. Yeah, this is cool. So I get it. The pattern must bring all of this together. So let's take a look at it. Let's see. Where is it? Here it is. All right. Here it is. It is a wheelbarrow. It is a table runner pattern by Fat Quarter Shop. And it says it right here. This is what it takes. It takes 2 of the calico stackers, the foundation paper, then you need to add binding and a background. So that's super cute. That's cute. Is it a pattern I would do? Probably not, but I understand the box this time, and I think that's what I love about this. My favorites, let's look at my favorites. I'd have to say the fabric was number 1. So the fabric is number 1. The glasses, number 2. And, oh, well, I think I like most everything because I like the kite paper and the pin cushion. The only thing I'm not a great fan of is the pattern, which is right here. It's just not for me, that's all. So I think I am going to continue. This is my 5th month, so I am going to continue because I really did like the fabric that I received. And I have a project in mind for the fabric, so I think that's what's exciting too. I like the notions too, but I like the fabric the most this time, so I'm happy about that. That's it, guys. I'll come back next month, February, and see how that goes. And then I'll just go month to month until I decide if it's for me or if it isn't for me. Okay? Thank you guys for watching. I will leave the link for Fat Quarter Shop below. And if you would, please like, comment, and or subscribe. Bye.